Hello and welcome back to my channel. It has been a long time again since I've posted a video. The last video I did was a Kim Kardashian inspired tutorial, makeup look, blah blah blah, whatever. Anyway, today I am here with a new makeup look on this eyeshadow right here. Yes, take it in. Oh yeah. So yes, that is what I am going to be doing. And I am also going to be showing you guys swatches of some of the Dose of Colors times I Love Sarahii makeup collaboration. I'm so excited. I ordered this when it came out, so on Friday, and it arrived Monday. Today is Wednesday, so I am finally playing with this makeup. I was actually supposed to do this makeup look and this video with my niece, but she was not cooperating. She wasn't having it. But anyway, I am back. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys some swatches of the highlighter, the lipstick, and the eyeshadows, obviously. Everything on my eyes is actually from the collection of the eyeshadow palette, and also a little bit of Jeffree Star and Anastasia Beverly Hills. Yeah, so stay tuned. Yeah, so I did a Namies order on Friday. I ordered my makeup through Namies because I am able to use a pro discount and your girl's trying to save some cash. So yeah. So this is everything that I got. It is a lipstick, a lip gloss, an eyeshadow palette, and a highlighter from the collection. And I also picked up my LC sponge because I had been waiting for it for, I want to say like 9 to 10 months now. And I finally got it off Namies. Yeah, and I actually went to IMATS in January and I went for it and they were like, oh, we're sold out of our last batch. So, fuck me, right? But anyway, I was finally able to get it, so I got that. But this video isn't about Elsie, so later. So yeah, that's what I got, and let's start the swatching and the unboxing and the showing. Yeah. Alright, sorry for that, I'm a child. So the first things that I'm actually going to be showing you guys today is the, probably the highlighters and the lipstick and the lip gloss, only because I am dying to get some highlighter on me, you know. Not so much lipstick, I don't really mind. No lipstick, but yeah. Let's try out the highlighter, shall we? Dose of Colors, I Love Sarahii. I see you. Okay, so I was debating between both highlighters, but I said I'm just gonna get one, and I absolutely love. Doubt you guys can fucking see this. Oh, well that's horrible lighting. Okay, well anyway, let's just do that lighting for now. This is what the packaging looks like. It is this really pretty kind of like shiny, liquidy packaging, and it is like a pinky beige color. It's really light. It's like a pinky creamy color. It's really pretty, and it has a gold trimming around the box. And then it just says I Love Sarahii times Dose of Colors. And my favorite part is that there is palm leaves on here imprinted. You guys can kind of see the shadowing right here. It is palm leaves. I, for one, absolutely love palm leaves. When most people do collaborations with, you know, a big brand and they do their collections, the packaging, the main packaging, Kylie Cosmetics, you do this a lot. The main packaging that everyone wants and like makes you want to buy it is always on the carton, and it's never on the actual package, like the casing of the eyeshadow palette, the lipstick, or anything. Which fucking sucks because, like, you know, us girls who, you know, go fucking crazy for all these collections, like, we want makeup for the packaging as well. Like, we don't just want it on the fucking carton that we're gonna throw away because we don't need it. What do we need it for? But, you know, your girl Karen, she fucking came through. They came through because the actual, like, pretty, like, fucking cool packaging, the, like, palm leaves, the greenery and everything, it's actually on the casing of the highlighter. It's so pretty.
So pretty. Kiki, do you love me? Dose of Colors, do you love me? I Love Sarahii, do you love me? You guys love fans. Yes, you do. Because you guys came through with the packaging. Yes.
This is what it looks like. Yes, I did put my finger in it when I first unboxed it. Let me tell you, it's fucking amazing. I love it. It looks so pretty. And the mirror in here is so good. Like, I can see myself clearly. It's not one of those little funky ass, you know, little packages that come with a mirror that you're like, oh, fun house mirror. Look. That's really, really pretty. It's not as like beaming as I thought or as expected, but you know, most highlighters aren't. You gotta kind of like work with them. But I can tell it's definitely buildable. I feel like the formula is a lot like the Desi and Katie collection. The highlighter was really, really bomb, like this one, but you just gotta like build it. So, which is nice because I mean, not everyone likes like a beaming highlight, you know.
Okay, you know what? This is amazing because it's not pink where it leaves like a pink mark on your cheek like you just got slapped in the face. It's like really, really pretty. Oh, wow. Okay, I really, really like that. Let's put some on the nose. Oops, I went too high with that.
Damn, look at that. Hey. Okay, so all I'm gonna say is the highlighter is bomb, but it is one of those highlighters that you kind of have to like scrape off the top first to be able to get that highlight, like, you know, the actual like beaming highlight. Like, look at my shoulder. It's like a really pretty glisten when I move around, you know, when I want to do the Marilyn Monroe. You can see it. Yes, honey. So yes, this highlighter is bomb. Rating on a scale of 1 to 10, I give it a 10 because honestly it's really, really good, and the color isn't as pink as I thought it was going to be. That's why I was in between, because the other one was a lot lighter and there was like a tint of, and then this one had more of like a rose gold, like a deep rose gold on camera, but she did say that it looked a lot darker than when you apply it. And now I believe her, obviously, because I put it on and it's not as dark as I thought it was going to be, which I'm so happy, because there's a lot of highlighters that have pink undertones in them, or like a rose gold highlighter that you put on, and on fair skin, sadly, it'll cast like a pink streak, and you don't want that. I'm so happy with it. This is bomb. Like I said, on a scale of 1 to 10, I give it 10. So the liquid lipstick that I purchased is in the shade Nude Chica, in case you guys couldn't hear my fast talking. And then the lip gloss that I got is in the shade Barely There. It's a really, really nude shade, so that's why I got it. I already opened them. I haven't worn them yet. I haven't swatched them, but I did open them to see the actual packaging, and this is fucking gorgeous. Show you on my wrist. Okay, this is the first time I'm actually going to be seeing it. Okay, just took a little bit off because I don't want to waste too much. Ooh! That's really, really pretty. So it's actually a lot darker than I imagined. A lot of the swatches I've seen, it looked kind of like more ash tone. Is that like even a color, like an ash tone pink? I don't know. But we'll still try it and we'll give it a shot. So we shall see. I actually really, 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 really like it. It's a lot lighter on the lips than it is when you're swatching it, which is kind of strange, but I'm a really big fan of this color. Like, it's so fucking pretty. Oh my god. And it dries really, really nice. I did a really light layer, and okay, that's another thing. I did the lightest layer on my lips because I also don't like feeling so dry on my lips, and it covered everything. Like, this liquid lipstick has such good coverage and pigmentation. I fucking love it. Look at that. Okay, I'm really excited because I hate when I spend money and I don't like a collection, or I don't like, you know, just any makeup products. Because that's when you buy something and you gotta go fucking return it and all that stuff because it's just not what you expected. And so the next thing that I'm gonna be showing you guys is probably my favorite thing out of this whole fucking collection. It is the I Love Sarahii Those Colors. Why do I keep saying it? Like, you guys already know what collection I'm showing. Anyway, but it is the eyeshadow palette, which is everything I have on my eyes, and some Anastasia and Jeffree Star. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It is actually a lot smaller than I thought too. I don't know what I thought, but I love it. so freaking pretty. Oh my god. Look at this. So this is the outside and this is the inside. This is such a perfect fucking palette. The colors, oh my god. Ooh, look at that. Hey girl, hey shoulder, how you doing? Hi, hey you. I don't know what formula they use for this. I'm not an expert when it comes to that stuff. But obviously I've never made makeup before. Oh fuck, I just dug my nail into it. Oh my god. This formula is so fucking good. On a scale of 1 to 10, this thing is 100. It is, like, it broke the fucking scale. It's so gorgeous. Oh my god. These mattes, so fucking good. So let's just start with the best shade in the entire palette. One swipe, bam. So this is the first shade I'm going to be swatching. This is in the shade Palma. So freaking pretty. It is like it's very much a teal blue. It's like a metallic teal with reflex in it, and the reflex that are in it are like a kind of like a dark navy blue with silver reflexes. My camera sadly stopped recording when I was still doing the swatches, but it's okay because I figure you guys are going to be able to see the colors anyway while I'm actually applying my eyeshadow. Okay, so I just finished my eyebrows and I just primed my eyes with the Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer. It's really thick and creamy, so I like doing that as a primer as opposed to like using an actual eyelid primer. Or eyeshadow primer, excuse me. I just like it better. But that's all I did. I'm not setting it. I'm letting it dry a little bit, but leaving it just a little bit tacky. I did my eye makeup and face makeup, and I am just baking now, and now I'm gonna do the rest of my eye makeup. See you in a bit. you guys, that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and the makeup look. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below.